Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is another problem on projection of point. In the last problem we have seen the point is resting on HP, right? Now we are going to see the point is resting on VP, right? So how it will be its projection, so that we are going to see. So repeat the same command, limits 0, 0, 15, 10, grid spacing is 0.25, Z enter, A enter, right? Snap spacing is 2.25, right? Then right click on the grid, right? Select adaptive grid, okay? Then PD mode, that is 3, PD size 0.1, right? And now dtext command, because I need to write down the problem statement. So dtext, here I am going to write the problem statement. So its height will be 0.2 and rotation will be 0. So now I am going to write the problem statement for you. A point A is resting or in or on VP, right, and 75 mm above HP, right? So above HP, right, for the projection. So the fundamental concepts you know, right? So what we are going to do that then? Oh, sorry, right? So again I need to write down the text now because I have not selected on the right side the text, and here I need to write, okay? Right spacing will be 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0. So draw the projection, right? So what you need to do, again you need to go and select the line, right? So I am selecting one of the line here, right? So that is the reference line, okay? I need to again go to the text command, right? So here I start, and right spacing will be 0.2 and this will be rotation angle will be 0, okay? So every time you have to repeat the same steps, right? So this is my reference line XY, right? And here with the same command I'm going to write my name, because you have to write your name here, my section, G section, and my roll number is now 2, right? So you can write down like this, roll number 2, right? And here you can write it down as section G. So this will be very useful for us. And here you have to write down VP you are getting front view, in HP you are getting top view, right? So what the problem statement is saying, a point A is resting in on, इसमें से एक कोई भी हो सकता है, right? On VP. So now it is on VP and 75 mm above HP. So its front view projections will be in VP, which is 75 mm above XY line. So what we need to do, we need to draw first a projector line. Just before that, just press escape, select the line, that is the projector line. So I am selecting one of the line as a projector line and converting into cyan color, right? Now I am selecting one point, right? So which is 75 mm above HP, means in VP I will get the front view, right? So this is my, so from the reference line I need to select 75 mm. So this is the first point, so this is first point, this is second point, and this is third point, that is 75 mm, right? And its top view will be on the XY line. So again I am selecting one point, right? And here I am drawing top view, right? So this is what the solution for projection of point, right? So now I need to give the naming. So I am pressing XY command and going under the text, right? So my point will start here, right? And the 0.2 spacing and 0 rotation angle. So you can see I can now type here. So in the top view, in the front view, basically I need to use the dash, A dash, and here will be A, right? So I hope you can see that. Now you need to give the dimensions, whether it is correct or not. So what you can do, press escape, right, to dimension, select on align, okay, select this particular point 1, this is second point, and now you can check. This is 0.75 AutoCAD unit, means this is 75 above H. And this is the solution, students, for your particular problem statement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. So again, if you need to save it, what you need to do, you need to go, you need to click on save, right? And now I am selecting as drawing 4, okay, in the AutoCAD folder, right? But in the examinations, you have to save it as bitmap file. So what you are going to do, you are going to in the file, then you are exporting it. So I'm exporting it. So now this is bitmap 4, right? It is saving in AutoCAD folder on the desktop. So I am again saving it. So if you are keeping as it is, it will take 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes to save. So what you need to do, you need to repeat the same step again. Again go to export, right, and then rename it. So drawing 4 was my file name, so I am renaming it, replacing it. So now you can check it is quickly saved on the desktop, right, in the folder. So drawing 4 BTF. So you can check that. So this is the solution for this particular problem statement. It is saved very quickly. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to practice at home on your computers or desktop in the institute.